Hello, this is Simon from Scotland. Thank you for joining me on my Commission Accelerator Training program. It's actually a case study that I'm doing because I wanted to record and log all my affiliate marketing efforts, just from my own curiosity, really. Just wanted to record everything and just to see what happens, if this actually works or not. So I do have to make a disclaimer though, that this information is for educational purposes only. It's really like an online journal for me, just to record everything and to see how I get on. If you were to follow the instructions in the video, I can't actually guarantee that you would make any sort of income, and I can't, because I'm not a qualified accountant. I don't know your financial situation. I don't know if you're going to follow the program according to the actual instructions, or if you're just going to go off script and do something else. So I really don't know, and there's too many variables really, so I can't really guarantee anything really. It's all up in the air, isn't it? So I'm just going to do this Commission Accelerator Training funnel for educational purposes only. I will actually provide you with all the information. If you want to set the funnel up yourself, I will provide you with all the links to set it up, and the pages as well, the splash pages, and I'll explain how everything works from start to finish. And I do need to make you aware that the links are affiliate links, so I will be getting some commission if you join under me. Other than that, I don't expect any other payment for any of my services. I'm just doing this for educational purposes only. In today's video, it's actually just a quick video today. Today I'm going to join two programs, and I'm not going to go into too much depth about the program on this video, because I don't want to confuse or overwhelm myself or anyone that's actually watching this, because when you try to make money online, it is a bit of a rabbit hole. You can end up going down the rabbit hole and getting confused and overwhelmed, and to save all that carry on, what we're going to do is I'm just going to sign up for the programs, and then once the sales funnel's up and running and it's generating commissions, then I can use those commissions to go back into the program and upgrade or do something else like that. This is what we call leverage. Once I get commissions from this, I can use this as leverage to upgrade in the different programs. And you just keep reinvesting the money and to get more money back, you see. And that's why I can't offer any income guarantees or anything, because I know a lot of people won't do that. And that is the strategy. That's why people fail at making money online, because that's the actual strategy that you need to use. And the people that understand that are the ones that succeed. But unfortunately, there's not that many people actually understand and follow instructions like that. So that's what we're going to do. Now, I do understand that when you join a program, you will be they try to upsell you and give you discounts on upgrades. I'm just going to ignore all that, and I'm just going to continue, because I know with one program, for example, that we're joining today, I know that they do have 2 upgrades, and one of them is a discounted, but I'm not going to go in and get it at the discount. I'm just going to leave it. Because I don't want to get overwhelmed, and because I want to set the sales funnel up and get it up and running. When the sales funnel's up and running, it will actually run itself. The traffic that we're going to buy runs on autopilot, and everything will run on autopilot. So all we have to do is just go in and check it every couple of days, just to see how many subscribers we're getting and to see what's actually happening. And then we're going to use any of the profits from these efforts to reinvest and to use it as leverage to get more traffic. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. So let me quickly go and join the 2 programs today. Let's have a look at what we are dealing with. The first program is called Sparky AI, and I'm just going to log into that now. The affiliate link is under this video. I'm just going to quickly log in. Basically, yeah, I'm just going to click here to log in. I've actually bought, let me just check this. Let's just check this 410. So I'm just going to show you quickly where to get your affiliate link. So what I'm going to do in today's video is sign up for Sparky AI and just log into it and get my affiliate link. And I'm not going to do anything else. Right, so we do have 100 leads, but that was only because I signed up for it and I got them. But these are your affiliate links that you use to promote. And remember, if you do join under my affiliate link, I do get some of the commissions. Now, the solo ads are not prohibited on this platform, and that's why we're going to promote this in a specific way. But what I want to do in this video is get myself a notepad and just cut and paste this link in a notepad, and then we're going to when we set the funnel up, we're going to need that affiliate link. So that's all you need to do for that one. Today, the program is called Lead Lightning, and again there is a link under this video. So let me just log into this and see if I can find. The program is called Lead Lightning, and with Lead Lightning you get $7 payments every time someone signs up for this. So that's the reason why I'm adding this to the sales funnel. I'm just going to quickly log in and see if we can get my affiliate link. And this is what, if you were to join, if you were to copy what I'm doing, this is what you would do if you decided to join. Again, with Leads Lightning there are different options and it can be quite confusing, and that's why I don't really want to get into all the too much depth with this training. I just want to get my affiliate link, so that's it here. So I'm just going to copy this and put this in a notepad, and that's really all I'm doing in today's video. Let me just open this in a new tab. And this is the page you should see under this video. Yeah, just sign up for it and then just leave it. I don't know if you have to pay for it straight away or not, but if you do, it's $7. There it is. There it's right at the bottom. Right, so that's all I'm going to do in today's video. I'm just going to join Leads Lightning and Sparky AI. And the links for these programs are in the actual training module even. They're underneath this YouTube video as well, and they are inside the training module. And if you continue through the commission accelerator course, I will show you how to join this all together. It's like a puzzle. We're going to join it all together and send traffic to it. So that's quite straightforward. And that's really all that we've got going on in today's video. Join me for tomorrow's video or the next video where we will be doing something else. I'm not quite sure what we're doing yet. I need to have a look to see what stage we're at setting this funnel up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them under this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button, that would be much appreciated. And yeah, that's it. Just join the two programs if that's what you want to do, and I'll see you in the next video.